Kynhun Myntri RiKhasi barge katayo Pdiang ek mineral prevention of illegal mining transportation storage rules Marpoh Habegre begla pathai khubo na Kynhun Myntri rang ba ka jalaw koner ke sang ma ula pentep bakani ka an ke de na ka benda ka jingshalan ka jingbu bar ka Jingtih Marpoh Beain
under section 23C of the MMDR Act. The state governments are mandated to have rules made to check the transportation, issuance of transport challan, regulate the storage of the minerals, and also to monitor the illegal transportation. Now, in the past, though this mandate was there, the rules were never there in the government of Meghalaya for the past 30 years, 40 years now, since this MMDR Act 1957 has come out. So therefore, this was a long pending rule which should have been there. And this was brought to the notice by the NGT. And based on that, the NGT had then made provisions on their own to come out with certain provisions to monitor the movement of the trucks and the storage of the minerals and the transportation challans. But now that these rules are there, and NGT had made an observation that government of Meghalaya should come out with these rules at the earliest. So as I said, to be very, very brief, 3 sections are there. One is the issuance of the transport challan. Number is to regulate the issuance of transport challan. Number 2, storage of the minerals once it's taken out, storage of how it will be stored, where it will be stored. And third is to monitor any illegal transportation.